How to poke someone on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Poking someone on Facebook is one of the most popular feature. You can simply first launch Facebook application, log into your account, and then tap on the search icon at top right corner of your screen, and you can simply search for the poke. As you can see on the recent, you will see pokes, so you can tap on it to poke your friends and see who has poked you. Once you land on this section, you can easily look for the poke features, and then you can see who has poked us on Facebook and the suggested pokes as well. You can easily tap on poke icon next to them and poke them on Facebook. As you can see that we have successfully tapped on poke and we have poked someone on Facebook application. Now they will be notified on Facebook that we have poked them on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.